The future of work is in flux. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly evolving, automating tasks, and changing the way we work. AI is changing work. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming how we work. It automates tasks, creates new jobs, and changes existing roles. Preparing for the future. Understanding the impact of AI on the job market is crucial for a successful career in the digital age. Exploring the possibilities. This presentation will delve into the potential effects of AI on various industries and roles. Simulating human intelligence. AI encompasses technologies that enable computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Machine learning and deep learning. AI systems learn from data without explicit programming, using algorithms to identify patterns and make predictions. Applications across industries. AI is transforming various sectors, from healthcare and finance to transportation and manufacturing, automating tasks and improving efficiency. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th century saw the rise of machines and automation, leading to job displacement in some sectors, but also creating new opportunities in manufacturing. Computer Revolution. The computer revolution of the 20th century led to automation of tasks in many industries, such as banking and accounting, while creating new jobs in technology and software development. Internet and AI. The Internet and AI revolution are transforming the workplace again, with potential for both job displacement and creation, and new jobs emerging in areas like data science and AI development. Data-driven. AI learns from vast amounts of data, enabling it to make predictions and decisions. Adaptive. AI algorithms continually improve through experience, refining their performance over time. Automated tasks. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers for more complex and creative roles. Problem solving. AI can analyze data and identify patterns, aiding in finding solutions and making better decisions. Many industries are undergoing significant changes due to the emergence of AI. Industries that heavily rely on repetitive tasks and data analysis are most likely to be affected by automation. The chart shows AI adoption rates in various industries. Manufacturing, finance, and healthcare are leading the way, with higher adoption rates compared to retail and transportation. Routine tasks. Jobs involving repetitive, rule-based tasks are highly susceptible to automation. These tasks can often be performed more efficiently and accurately by machines. Data entry. Data entry clerks and administrative assistants are likely to see their roles transformed. AI systems can automate data processing, leaving humans to focus on more complex tasks. Manufacturing. Assembly line workers and machine operators are facing increased automation. Robots can handle tasks like welding, painting, and packaging with greater precision. Transportation. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery personnel are being affected by autonomous vehicles. Self-driving technology is advancing rapidly, posing a significant threat to these roles. Data analysis. Analysts will be using AI tools to process large datasets, identifying trends and insights. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants will handle routine inquiries, freeing up human agents for complex issues. Healthcare. Doctors and nurses will use AI for diagnosis, treatment planning, and personalized care. Education. Teachers will leverage AI to personalize learning experiences and provide adaptive feedback to students. AI specialists. Experts in machine learning, deep learning, and data science are in high demand to develop and manage AI systems. AI trainers. AI trainers are responsible for teaching AI systems to perform specific tasks, using large datasets to optimize their performance. AI ethics experts. As AI becomes more prevalent, professionals are needed to ensure its ethical and responsible development and use. AI interpreters. Interpreting complex AI insights and translating them into actionable business strategies is a crucial role. AI is transforming manufacturing with automation, predictive maintenance, and quality control. Robots powered by AI are performing tasks previously done by humans, improving efficiency and reducing costs. AI algorithms analyze data from sensors on equipment to predict failures before they occur, enabling proactive maintenance and minimizing downtime. AI-powered vision systems inspect products for defects, ensuring high-quality standards. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming customer service by automating routine tasks, like answering FAQs and scheduling appointments. This frees up human agents to focus on complex issues and build stronger customer relationships. AI can also analyze customer data to identify trends and predict future needs, leading to more personalized and proactive service. Augmented creativity. AI can be used to enhance creativity, not replace it. It can generate ideas, provide feedback, and assist with tasks. New creative roles. AI will create new creative jobs focused on building and using AI-powered tools and systems. Adaptability. Creative professionals must embrace technology, adapt to changing tools, and learn new skills. Human connection. AI can't replicate the human touch, emotional intelligence, and ability to connect with audiences. Creativity and innovation. AI can process existing data, but it struggles with original ideas. Critical thinking and problem solving. AI excels at following rules, but complex situations need human judgment. Collaboration and communication. Humans build relationships and understand nuance. AI can't replicate this. Bias and fairness. AI algorithms can perpetuate existing societal biases, leading to unfair hiring practices and job opportunities. Algorithmic transparency and accountability are crucial to ensure fairness and prevent discrimination. Privacy and data security. AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about privacy and data security. Protecting sensitive information and ensuring responsible data usage is paramount. Regulation and oversight. Governments are establishing regulations and ethical frameworks for responsible AI development and deployment, addressing bias, privacy, and job displacement. Funding and investment. Government initiatives are investing in AI research, infrastructure, and training programs to foster innovation and support the development of a skilled workforce. Education and training. Governments are promoting AI education and training programs to equip citizens with the necessary skills to navigate the changing job market. Adapting curricula. Educational institutions need to adapt their curricula to include AI-related skills and concepts. Students need to be prepared for the changing job market. Developing critical thinking. Education should focus on developing critical thinking skills, problem solving, and creativity, skills that AI cannot easily replicate. Promoting lifelong learning. The future of work is about continuous learning and adapting. Education should prepare individuals for lifelong learning and reskilling throughout their careers. Identify gaps. Analyze current skills and identify areas for improvement. Choose training. Select relevant courses, boot camps, or online platforms. Practice and apply. Develop skills through hands-on projects and real-world experience. Seek mentorship. Gain guidance and feedback from experienced professionals. Upskilling and reskilling are essential for navigating the changing job market. Continuous learning helps individuals adapt to new technologies and remain competitive. Investing in reskilling. Businesses play a key role in preparing their workforce for the future of work. They can invest in upskilling and reskilling programs to help employees adapt to new technologies. Adopting AI ethically. Businesses should implement AI technologies responsibly, considering ethical implications and focusing on human-centered design. Creating new opportunities. Businesses can foster innovation by creating new jobs and opportunities that leverage AI capabilities. Automated screening. AI-powered tools can quickly analyze applications, saving recruiters time and effort. These tools identify candidates with the best fit based on skills, experience, and keywords. Candidate matching. AI can suggest suitable candidates by matching their profiles with job requirements, ensuring better alignment and increasing the chances of a successful hire. Bias mitigation. AI can help reduce bias in hiring processes by analyzing candidate profiles without human biases, leading to a more diverse and inclusive workforce. Personalized experience. Chatbots and AI-powered tools can provide personalized communication, answering candidate questions, scheduling interviews, and improving the overall candidate experience. AI-powered startups. AI technology allows for the creation of new business models and innovative solutions. Data-driven insights. Entrepreneurs can leverage AI for data analysis, market research, and customer understanding. Automation and efficiency. AI can automate tasks, optimize processes, and reduce operational costs. Personalized experiences. AI enables businesses to deliver tailored products and services to individual customers. Lifelong learning. Continuously learning new skills and knowledge is crucial to adapt to the changing job market. Networking. Building and nurturing relationships can open doors to new opportunities and support. Adaptability. Embrace new technologies and trends, be willing to shift roles, and explore different industries. Financial planning. Diversify income streams, save for emergencies, and invest for long-term financial security. AI-powered platforms. Gig economy platforms are using AI to match workers with gigs, optimize tasks, and personalize experiences. AI can analyze data to identify skill gaps and suggest relevant opportunities. Flexible work arrangements. AI can enable greater flexibility and autonomy for gig workers, allowing them to work from anywhere at any time. This can be particularly valuable in fields where AI is automating tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on creative and complex problem solving. AI is changing the nature of work across the globe, creating new opportunities and challenges. The impact of AI on jobs varies by country and region, influenced by factors such as economic development, industry composition, and workforce skills. Country or region. Impact of AI on workforce. United States. AI is transforming industries, leading to job displacement in some sectors and new opportunities in others. China. Rapid AI adoption is driving automation, but also fostering innovation and new job creation. India. AI is expected to have a significant impact on the Indian workforce, both in terms of job losses and new opportunities. Europe. European countries are grappling with the social and economic implications of AI, focusing on ethical considerations and workforce reskilling. Increased automation. Automation will continue to grow, impacting a wider range of industries and tasks. AI-powered innovation. AI will drive advancements in fields like healthcare, education, and manufacturing. Evolving job market. New jobs will emerge, requiring specialized skills in areas like data science and AI engineering. Upskilling and reskilling. Individuals will need to continuously learn and adapt to stay competitive in the workforce. Ethical considerations. Ethical considerations related to AI deployment and its impact on society will become increasingly important. Transparency and explainability. AI systems should be transparent in their decision-making processes. Users should understand how AI arrives at its conclusions. Fairness and bias mitigation. AI algorithms should be designed to be fair and unbiased. They should not perpetuate existing societal biases or create new ones. Privacy and data security. User data should be protected. AI systems should only use data in accordance with ethical guidelines and regulations. Accountability and responsibility. Clear lines of accountability and responsibility should be established for AI systems. Developers and users should be held responsible for the consequences of their actions. Data scientist. Data scientists are in high demand across industries, including finance, healthcare, and technology. They use AI algorithms and tools to analyze large datasets and make predictions. Machine learning engineer. ML engineers are responsible for building and deploying AI models. They need strong programming skills in languages like Python and experience with cloud computing platforms. AI developer. AI developers design and implement AI systems, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and recommendation engines. They need a deep understanding of AI algorithms, natural language processing, and computer vision. AI can't understand emotions. AI is currently limited in its ability to understand and respond to complex human emotions. AI will take over all jobs. AI is more likely to automate tasks within existing jobs, creating new opportunities. AI will become sentient and dangerous. AI is a tool that reflects the intentions and values of its creators. AI will eliminate creativity. AI can augment human creativity by providing new ideas and perspectives. Upskilling and reskilling. Develop skills that AI cannot replicate. Adaptability and agility. Embrace new technologies and learn quickly. Critical thinking. Analyze data, solve problems, and make informed decisions. Human connection. Focus on empathy, communication, and collaboration. The AI revolution is upon us, and it's time to prepare. We must focus on developing skills that AI cannot replicate, such as critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability. This is an opportunity to delve deeper into the topics presented. Ask questions, share your insights, and engage in a discussion about the future of work in the age of AI. The conversation can cover a wide range of subjects, including the ethical implications of AI, strategies for adapting to the changing job landscape, and the role of education and government in navigating the AI revolution. AI will continue to transform the workplace. Embrace change, upskill, and adapt to succeed.